Mirza Ali Ahmadi and his wife Suraya on August 19th found themselves and their 5 children in a chaotic crowd outside the gates of the Kabul airport in Afghanistan when a US soldier from over the tall fence asked if they needed help. Fearing their 2-month-old baby Sohail would get crushed in the melee, they handed him to the soldier, thinking they would soon get to the entrance, which was only about 5 meters away. But at that moment, Mirza Ali said, the Taliban began pushing back hundreds of hopeful evacuees. It took the rest of the family more than a half an hour to get to the other side of the airport fence. Once they were inside, Sohail was nowhere to be found. Mirza Ali, who said he worked as a security guard at the US Embassy for 10 years, began desperately asking every official he encountered about his baby's whereabouts. He said a military commander told him the airport was too dangerous for a baby and that he might have been taken to a special area for children. But when they got there, it was empty. Mirza Ali said he saw other families handing their babies over the Kabul airport fence to soldiers at the same time. One video clip of a small baby in a diaper being hoisted by her arm over razor wire went viral on social media. She was later reunited with her parents. Every person Ali comes across, aid workers, US officials, he tells them about Sohail. Ali said, everyone promises they will do their best, but they are just promises. An Afghan refugee support group created a missing baby sign with Sohail's picture on it and are circulating it among their networks in hopes that someone will recognize him. But the child hasn't been found yet. A Department of Defense spokesperson and a spokesperson for the US Department of Homeland Security, which is overseeing resettlement efforts, deferred queries on the matter to the State Department, since the separation took place overseas. A State Department spokesperson said the government is working with international partners and the international community to explore every avenue to locate the child, which includes an international Amber Alert that was issued through the International Center for Missing and Exploited Children.